Welcome to this short 5-minute guided meditation designed to help you calm and regulate your nervous system. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you continue to breathe naturally, feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Let your muscles relax and soften, sinking into the support below. Bring your attention to the present moment. Notice how your body feels right now, without judgment, just awareness. Allow yourself to be fully here, grounded and safe. We will now use a simple breathing pattern to smooth and calm your nervous system. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and breathe out slowly for 6 counts. Let's try it together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's do it again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. As you breathe out, imagine any tension leaving your body. Each exhale is a release, a letting go. Now gently scan your body, starting from your head down to your toes. Notice if there is any tightness or discomfort. And with each exhale, imagine releasing that tension. Start at your forehead and eyes. And release. Focus on your jaw and neck. Bring any tension if you have. And release. Now soften your shoulders and arms. Release. Focus on your chest and stomach. Just release any tension you are holding on. Bring your attention to your hips. Release any tightness that you are holding. Focus on your thighs and legs and your feet. Releasing any tension with each breath. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you. This light is gentle, soothing, and it radiates peace. As you breathe, visualize the light flowing through your body, calming every nerve, every muscle. Feel your entire system, entire bodies slowly calming down, finding the balance. This beautiful, soft, warm light. It's gentle, it radiates peace. Calming every nerve and every muscle. Each breath you take fills you with calm, and each exhale releases any remaining stress. Take a moment to notice how your body feels now. You have created a state of calm within yourself, and you can return to this space anytime you need. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the room and slowly open your eyes when you are ready. Thank you for taking this time to regulate your nervous system and bring calm into your day.